Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel J Education Now. In this video, we will write about 5-line speech on Independence Day. Let's start. One. Good morning everyone. My name is Vikas. 2. Today we are celebrating Independence Day with great pride. 3. On this day, India got freedom from British rule in 1947. 4. We remember and honor the sacrifice of our freedom fighters. 5. Let us work together to make our country strong. Jai Hind. Thank you. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe to my channel.